Good day guys, welcome. So in this video I'm showing you how you can view all of your inboxes and all of your email on Gmail. So this is done exactly the same on both the app and on the desktop version. So as you can see in this general page, which is called inbox, I have my general mail, so I'm guessing they just sort them by relevance and importance. And it's not actually the tab with your entire collection, should I say, of mail. So there's not all mail is displayed under the inbox section. Instead, as you can see, we have this little toolbox in here on the left. Press on the arrow down, and in here, as you can see, we have all mail. So this is the section you're looking for. As you can see, I have a draft. Also, I have been making video for you guys and everything else. So this is the entirety of your mail here. As you can see, it even shows how many you've got. In my case, it's over 5,000. And if I go here, as you can see, it's only 380. So once again, more, all mail, and the same you do on the app if you're on mobile. That's it for this one. Enjoy, guys. If this helped, like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.